This is going to be a short episode for you guys. This is going to be how you can upload your photos or your videos into Adobe Stock. So Adobe Stock is my preferable choice for stock video, stock photo, stock everything, because since I have the Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Now I'm going to export this photo, and we're just going to make a date. So today is 5/8/18. This is just how I organize my stuff. Let me know if you guys want a video. So we're gonna organize it full size, and it's gonna be saved to where I want it. Then I'm gonna go down on Google, and I'm gonna search up contributor.stock.adobe.com, and then we're gonna hit that little upload button over here, and we're just gonna go browse, and then now we can just go into our folder that we saved it, and now we see that it is uploading our photo. If it would be in review, so once we submit it and press OK to make this and send it to Adobe to make sure it's okay for stock, it would go into this review, and if you have something in the remind, then it would remind you that something needs to be done with this photo. And then there's the rejected and the releases. That's all the stuff that you need to have knowledge of if you want to know why your photos weren't accepted into the collection for Adobe Stock. Anything that needs a release, it will be held in the releases tab. So now we are back over here in our photo. So in our new, this is our uploaded section. So now now that we have it selected, we're gonna go over here and we are gonna just name it. So we're gonna do just something nice and easy. Sunset bokeh flowers. Alright, so now that we have named our photo, we are just going to make sure that the file type is correct, our category for our file, for our photo in this case, and then is correct, and then our writing and keywords, our language and stuff like that. These three things, make sure they're correct. Sensei does a really good job. Sensei is an Adobe thing, so they do a really nice job keying this for us already. And what you can do is you can actually take some more time adding more keywords in here, and then you can just press if there is recognizable people or property. No, in this case we're going to make sure everything else is fine. You can also go to paste keywords, and you can have a whole bunch of keywords selected with separations via commas. So now that we have our thing is fine over here, we can just press submit for approval, and if anything, if our keywords need a little bit retouching, we can do that after it was accepted for our collection. So in this case, now it is in review. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys learned how to submit your photos and videos for Adobe Stock. If you are trying to make money as a stock photographer or stock videographer, that's really easy and simple, and you can even upload things via Lightroom and Premiere straight from the app into here. So that's a great add-on from Adobe. So thank you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.